G'day guys, Troy from MoTackle Outdoors. The Blackfish are running, so today I'm going to show you the super smooth MoTackle Centrepin reel. This reel is a CNC machine cut centerpin reel with high quality bearings for the perfect balance, resulting in a spool that spins freely without interruption. This centerpin reel is a Gunsmoke colour that features a silky smooth 2-bearing drive, a stainless steel shaft, a 1-piece machine cut frame, a 1-piece machine cut spool, an 11cm large arbor, a spool width of 2.5 cm, and an on-off ratchet feature. It also comes with a quality reel bag, and it only weighs 188 grams. Perfect for any avid blackfish fisherman. For more information on the range of our centerpin reels, go to motackle.com.au.